What's your name?
Carolina.
Carolina?
Yes.
You got this harness on. I think we're gonna go jump out of a plane right now.
Oh, you think so?
I think so.
I don't know.
How do you feel about that?
I'm really excited.
Excited?
Yes.
Have you been waiting to do this for a while? Or was it kind of spontaneous?
No, I've been waiting to do this since years.
Years?
Yes.
Do you have anything to say to all the people that are gonna watch your video later after you return home safely?
Right. You should do it too.
Yeah, they should.
Yes.
All right, girl, I'll see you at the airplane.
Thank you.
I'll see you outside, girl.
Thank you. Wow! Good view.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish it could last forever. From this day on, nothing can stop us from getting back together.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. I love the sky, baby. 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 I love the sky, sky, baby.
So you're alive.
I'm alive.
You made it.
Here, I made it.
Now what do you want to say?
What do I want to say? I want to do it again.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
Let's go. Anytime. Thanks for the jump.
No, thank you.
All right.
Thanks for sharing.